Huh. Must be having a mechanical problem or something. Let's see if this thing will start again. Oh, man. Well, he knows how this thing does not turn. Well, and I have videos of me starting it, so I know how to start it. It's just that I don't know why the thing's not turning the key. Must be having a mechanical problem issue. We got underneath the hood there, hoss. No, dude, look at all this white stuff. Right there. Huh. Battery works. Okay, well, yeah, sorry guys, it door opens up and it hits the fender now because the door won't shut all the way. Huh. Check it. Don't know why it's starting. Alright guys, I don't know why it's starting. I mean, I've tried a million times to get this thing started. Do another video of it, at least starting it up again. One last video. But I don't think she's happening. I don't think she's gonna have it today. Again. It's an Express, man. What do you expect? It's a Chevy. They're all trash. Bummed out too, man, because I really like these vans, except, you know, they always have lots of problems with them, you know. Oh, nice car. Nice. Here's Hunter's car. Oh, his old car. That's not running. Let's get going here. Let's try to get going on this again. So I hear it. Dude. Think of the car. Stop. This. Got some rust. Bought two, by the way, that's new. Well, that's how you have it. That's how I have it, I guess. Not starting. This shit's gotta go in the back. I don't know why this thing's not starting. Well, we tried starting the Express van, so I don't know if there'll be a part 2 of me trying to start it. I'm not trying to waste my time, but yeah, stay tuned.